At PainPro Therapeutics, our name says it all. We deal with pain, and it's very therapeutic. Most of the issues we deal with are anything to do with musculoskeletal pain. We use advanced therapeutic techniques such as deep tissue massage, myofascial release, trigger point therapy to resolve pain issues. That pain can result from automobile accidents, from sports injuries, from repetitive strain, such as working in an office environment, or people just who have slept wrong. We have 19 therapists that are all specially trained in advanced therapeutic massage techniques, specifically designed for soft tissue pain issues. Our services are covered by MSP, they're covered by ICBC, WCB, as well as most extended plans that corporations offer. We've created a very user-friendly online booking system that is based on real time, which means that what you see is what is available within minutes. Pain doesn't wait. Why should you?